Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel, 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸𝐬. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install the Fry Foundation software to start mining crypto on your Windows PC today. So before we get started, I would like to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Also, I'm no financial advisor, so do your own research, please. So let's get started. We're currently on the Fry Foundation webpage. I also uploaded a video yesterday about it, what it is, what it does, and how much it costs to purchase the miners. Well, it's right here. So we're going to build our own right now. We're going to go over to the download section and we're going to click on the bandwidth mining. You also have the satellite or the recycle mining. We're going to go for this video on the bandwidth and we're going to click on download right here. Let it download the folder. So yeah, I'm doing this on a Windows PC, Intel NUC. So yeah, you can do it on any Windows, I guess. The requirements are not that much, if at all any. I'm using 6 GB of RAM, E5 fourth generation of Intel. Let's go to show in folder. Let's hit extract all. Let it extract. I already opened it up, but something went wrong, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close this, exit, and this one also. Okay, so when you extract the folder, you will get this VPN installer. Double click on it, let it load up, do its magic, click on more info, run anyway. Again, do your own research, please. I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to start earning here. So don't forget to follow my channel to get updated on more of these kind of projects. I am very interested in them. I have started with a lot of them over the last year. 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐻, Planet Watch, Helium, all of the projects that has gone down heavily. Unfortunately started a bit late with all of them, so not a good moment. Haven't been that lucky, but this project right here, there are only 50 current miners available or online. So we're very early stage, but again, I also have been participating in a crypto miner project, also very early stage before launch, the 𝐕𝐏𝐍'𝐬, where I purchased a miner and got scammed. So yeah, let's get back to the tutorial. We're gonna select the first one right here, soft ether VPN server, click on next, click on agree, click on next, click on next again, let it install. And we're going to do this. Okay, so this works with your Algorand wallet. If you're familiar with the Planet Watch project, you already have it, then you already have the Algorand wallet. If you don't have the Algorand wallet, I am going to show you. Let's let this load up. Okay, so here you're going to enter your Algorand address. Let's go ahead and go to the web page where we can create one. So it's going to be this web page right here. I will leave the link in the description. I have the application, but I also see they have the web. Let's go ahead and see what that does exactly. So you can create an account, use the recovery phrase, or import from your mobile. So if we create an account, you're not familiar, you don't have one, just create a passcode. So we're gonna need here something. Okay. So let's name it Fry. You can name it whatever you want. And here you'll get your backup phrase. You can copy it. And let's just open up a note here. So this is your backup phrase. Make sure you back it up. And account created. This is our address. Copy it and go back here. We're going to paste it. Hit next. Network adapter. Oh, I only have one currently, as you can see. So we're going to click on that. Make sure you click the right one. If you have Wi-Fi connected, you will see Wi-Fi. Click on next, and then we need our secret phrase. which is going to be right here. We're just going to go ahead and copy this link right here. We're going to paste it right here. Click on next, click on install, and let it do its magic. So it's that easy, folks. It is really that easy. We're 5 minutes in. Almost done. Doing a bit more. Again, if you want to know more information about this 𝐸 Foundation crypto project, look my previous video. I'll also leave the link in the description, and you can check it out. What's happening here? So something is happening on my network. Something has joined the networks. Okay. Open browser. See what's happening. Is there something happening? Oh, this is your MAC address that you need. Let me go ahead and so it's going to take you to this web page. This is the browser, and you're going to just copy your IP address. That's what you're going to be needing. Copy it. So after you copy that, we're going to go over back to the website of the 𝐸 Foundation, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to miner registration. We're going to click on bandwidth, hardware, registration, and we're going to fill in this list right here. Fill in your email address, your MAC address, your Algorand address. So the Algorand address is going to be this one right here. And your IP address is the one that we just copied from there. Your email you're going to fill in, and your MAC address you can get through the command prompt. Let's go ahead and open that and type in ipconfig /all, and then after you type that in, hit enter. So it's going to be ipconfig /all together, and then you will see here the physical address. That's what you're going to copy and paste it. The physical address. Yeah, and after you filled that in, so after you've done that, you're only going to attach a picture of your miner, how we've set it up. They just want to probably confirm that miner, and then we're gonna click on I'm not a robot and submit it, and then make sure you have some algo on your algo address. So right here, make sure you have some, like at least 5 or something for the fees. If you don't know how to transfer algo, if you're familiar with Binance, you can just swap Binance coin or any other coin to algo and transfer it to this account right here. That's the easiest way. So yeah, that's about it. After that, it's complete. Then it's just waiting until it gets confirmed, and you can start earning. So that's how easy it is, folks. I hope I explained it good. Leave me some feedback. Let me know how I did. Yeah. Keep subscribing to the channel so you can follow my newest and latest videos. Also, I have some cool projects coming up that I want to make tutorials on. So thank you all for watching again, and goodbye.